Happy birthday! Guys, unsay nakatsada sa Canada pag birthday nimo?
Nakalibre.
Nakalibre ka og food, no?
Breakfast. And many more later.
Guys, tsada sa Canada kay ug mag-birthday ka na kay free nga one meal. And makadto pa kag lain nga mga establishment pang i-claim nimo ang mga kailangan i-claim sa birthday. Thank you.
So I was trying to help.
Free. It's free. It's free.
What's that?
Free. Sephora. Pagos.
Birthday, guys. Normal. Unsa na siya? Tara, let's go. Birthday gift. Babe, it's your birthday, huh? Babe, it's your birthday.
Thank you, my love, for the gift.
Pa guys. Hi. Happy birthday.
Oh no, look, it's so cute.
Oh, it's so cute.
Look, it's on sale. $11.99. Kailan ka na? Si Marie Benny, Marie the Cat, like me. Marie the Cat.
Mari na ka. So. Ito ka buhok.
Look, look, purple, purple.
Okay lang. Nice size wala.
Ulo. Tata sa nice.
Let's go. Mga NBA. So, drawer, you're so.
Ano sa pinakataas? Wala, David.
Drawer, you're so.
Is there anything I can help you guys find today?
Just items. Yeah. Pila? I-try na to ng 50 cents. Basin makadaog tag 150 daw. So, ano man yung my love? Asa man?
Tani, Lucky Stars to ako na daw.
Ha?
Lucky Stars.
Oh.
Apoy pot of gold. Oh. Bingo.
So guys, mo palit mi kuan karon scratch it kay birthday man niya. So try na to basin makadaog ni ba. Try ta mo palitan ni scratch it para makadaog ta. So basin makapay tag cellphone diri.
Oh, you don't have tab? That's fine.
That's okay.
Yeah.
So
I'll get one of the lucky stars.
One lucky star.
Yeah. Then two sevens, lucky sevens. Then one of the bundle.
Yes. So $5.
Konti lang. Kayong baka lucky siya, birthday niya. Lucky ka, lucky. Makadaog tag 1 million din eh. Kang kuya, 100. 100,000. Ako 200.